Good afternoon. This is the Shammas Space and Tech Briefing for Saturday, June 20th, 2026. The Wall Street Journal reports President Trump announced an Intel-Apple partnership, and Yahoo Finance says Trump confirmed Apple has agreed to build chips with Intel as part of a broader U.S. manufacturing push that has also involved NVIDIA and Tesla. Benzinga and Startup Fortune report Nobel laureate John Jumper is leaving Google DeepMind for Anthropic, marking a second major blow to DeepMind in a week. MarketWatch says the shakeup underscores how scarce top AI researchers have become. Yahoo Finance reports Anthropic is headed for a showdown with Washington, while Ynet News says a U.S. move to restrict Anthropic models is turning the AI race into a geopolitical test. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella warned that dominance in AI could trigger a backlash, according to 24/7 Wall Street. Windows Central says Microsoft is increasingly willing to trade on the strength of Windows and Office to push its AI strategy. In Brussels, upcoming guidance will address how the GDPR and the AI Act interact, according to IAPP. Separately, the Electronic Frontier Foundation says AI regulation should be rational rather than retaliatory. And Bond Buyer reports California lawmakers are partnering on 2 AI regulation bills. MDA Space is buying Blue Canyon for $620 million, according to Keep Track, which also says NASA has awarded a Mars orbiter contract. China has tightened indium export controls, a move the OECD AI Policy Observatory says threatens AI data center supply chains. Xinhua reports a Chinese tech firm has completed direct-to-cell satellite calls. Keep Track reports NASA has awarded a private Mars orbiter contract for 2028. Yahoo Autos reports Amazon drivers say a new update automatically shuts off their air conditioning as dangerous heat waves intensify. East Asia Forum reports China's chip-making supply chain runs through Southeast Asia. The Street reports OpenAI has acknowledged that enterprise customers need better control over AI costs. That's the Shammas Space and Tech Briefing for Saturday, June 20th, 2026. Sources are in the show notes. This episode is AI generated. Verify claims against the original sources.